Nagbenta ng lobo.
Lobo!
Lobo ay dyan!
Lobo!
Umutang sa'yo.
Lobo!
Umutang sa'yo mo lobo. Buti di kasi napak. I'm beyond this side, bro. Ayoko na. Tatakbo na ako palayo. Seryoso din sila, no? Sa tingin mo, may bibili kayo ng lobo? Walang bibili ng lobo.
Tay mo, iba-iba kulay nito, boy. Tsaka hindi lang isa binibenta ko.
Isang bili kayo lobo for, for pictures.
I hope you feel this shit. Top 10 flow when it's still this shit. Went away, had to get away, been away, came back and a motherfucker steal this shit. Hold up, what's real is this? Feeling myself, who ill is this? Master the flow from the east to the west, but right now I'm wondering how trill is this? I've been around for a minute now, 100 I'm in it now. People that wasn't there back in the day talking about me, remember I'm winning now. I could only imagine if I was beginning. Lyrics say, you know it's you, baby.
Parang ano yan eh, kapatid ng baby, 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 yun yun.
Tulog siya. Tulog.
Babe, I hate you.